Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general section, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and here tap on this first option. As you can see, your device will inform you that what it will actually reset, and the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, tap on reset settings, confirm it with the pattern or PIN or password, whatever. Here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.